I wasn't going to do a review on this, but this stuff works so good and it was so unbelievable. I absolutely have to say something about it. I was going to leave a good review, but my girlfriend reminded me, well, you know, you make YouTube videos, so why not do one of these? So this stuff's been sitting on there about 4 minutes now. That side's done. But if you look closely at these teeth, they've been sprayed, but they haven't been cleaned off yet. And this is leaving horrible burns on maple, and I thought the blade was dull, but then I got to looking at it and saw that it was coated. We've been cutting a lot of hard maple, making picture frames, and stuff started burning. And then I took a look at the blade and saw that it was completely coated. But this stuff's amazing. Watch that. It's been sitting on there probably 5 minutes now. But if I just do just a couple of these, that's really all it takes. And I have not seen a product that works that good without some kind of arguing about it. But you can see the difference. So I don't know about the other stuff. I generally stay away from anything that's biodegradable or ecologically safe. And it says right on there somewhere that it's biodegradable. Right on the front. Now normally that would have kicked me out of it because I'm more interested in getting the job done rather than the environment, but this stuff seems to take care of both of that, and it's absolutely amazing. This is another one I just finished, and it was even worse than the first one, and I feel bad that I did not make a video, but I'm trying to get the light to shine on those sparkly teeth. So anyhow, I don't care what you read on the internet. It's only 10 bucks. It's like quite a bit cheaper than the $14 to $20 stuff. And definitely do not use oven cleaner like some people. This has a coating that it will remove, and this stuff actually has a lubricant on it. And as for that one down there, oven cleaner would probably take the powder coating off. Now that's an industrial blade. I'm not sure if the Freud commercial blade has just regular paint or just powder coating, but this coating here is supposed to be some kind of Teflon. And I did burn it a little bit. Let's see, where is that? And it didn't take that off. Right there. I thought that was resin, but it's not. It's apparently burned into the coating, and I can see just by looking at that is a slippery coating. It's not just powder coated, and it's definitely not paint. But in any case, I would not be using oven cleaner on any of those things. But again, it's just amazing how well this stuff works, and it's quick. Sorry about the banging, but I'm doing it one-handed. And that's about all it takes. And then I got a towel. Holding it out is not a good idea. So that's probably the first time you'll see that on the internet. But those things were filthy. And now I do not think that's going to burn our maple. But anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and I'll give it a couple of shots and make sure everything. But that's dirty. And there we got the clean. And not to mention the face of the base material, or whatever you call it, was pretty bad. This just takes it off. Well, it needs another spray. It's been sitting too long. But it also cleans up the face of the blade, and it leaves a lubricating finish afterwards. So it's a lubricant. I think that might be rust. I got a separate bottle of rust stuff, and I will not be doing a video on that because it doesn't work worth shit. Anyhow, it is a premium blade, and it's worth taking care of, and I definitely would not be in any way inhibited from recommending this product. Again, it's called Trend Tool Cleaner. It's on Amazon. It's about 10 bucks. Came the next day, free shipping. But that's me. I don't know if you have Amazon Prime or not, but well worth it. Leave a comment below.